I'm Susan and welcome to Cancer Research Demystified. This episode is actually all about me, so I'm just doing a quick little introduction to let you know about my background and my kind of interests in cancer research. And we have another video about Hayley as well, if you want to check that out. So as you can probably guess from my accent, I'm Irish, and that's where I've done most of my career in cancer research. So that started with a degree in molecular medicine, and then I stuck around in Dublin for a PhD in lung cancer. That was looking at treatment for patients and how to kind of treat different patients in a personalised way with the right combinations of drugs, or the right drug to follow on from a previous drug that didn't work so well, all those kinds of things. So just trying to refine the way that we treat cancer. I've worked in a few different types of cancers since then, and a few different postdocs. And at the moment I'm in prostate cancer research, but it's kind of always been that common theme of personalised treatment for cancer patients. I suppose one thing that's kind of been a common thread throughout my career is I've worked a lot with human tissue. So although I'm not a medical doctor, I do actually get handed a lot of bits of patients for my work. It's maybe not for the faint of heart and slightly gory, but I have held about 120 human prostates in this hand. It's a little bit gory, but it gives you really, really fantastic data and insight into how cancer works and how it spreads and how we can treat it. So I do really love cancer research. I suppose I've probably had more experience with cancer in my personal life than the average person. We've had some bad luck in my family. And there's been some really happy stories and some sad ones as well. And I think that really helps to drive you as a researcher, because the happy stories kind of remind you of all those findings, all that progress over the last few decades that have led to so many lives being saved. But it also kind of, the sadder stories just kind of help to push you on, keep that motivation when it's like midnight in the lab and your experiment's not working, to just keep going and make sure it works. So that's a bit about me and my background. Please do remember to find out a bit more about Hayley in her video. And if you have any questions about my research in particular, put them in the comments below. And other than that, please go watch the actual research videos. And I will see you next time.